President Donald J. Trump, America's leader, a global phenomenon. Hello everyone, good afternoon, Assalamu alaikum. Chaudhry Kaisar Mustafa from New York, and you are watching Pakistani American News Channel. Today, we are discussing a leader who has reshaped American politics, challenged global elites, and redefined leadership in the modern world, the 45th and 47th President of the United States, Donald J. Trump. Whether people agree with him or not, one truth is undeniable. Donald Trump is not just the President of America, he is one of the most influential leaders the world has ever seen. This vlog is about his daily engagements, policies, leadership style, and why millions across the globe, including Pakistani Americans, see him as the strongest voice for national sovereignty, economic independence, and global peace through strength. Trump's daily engagements and leadership style. President Donald J. Trump started his day with direct briefings, not filtered narratives. He believes in facts over propaganda and results over excuses. Unlike traditional politicians, Trump speaks directly to the people, makes quick decisive decisions, holds his cabinet and institutions accountable, leads with confidence, clarity, and courage. His daily engagements reflect one message: America first, but not America alone. A strong America means a stable world. Economic leadership, making America strong again. Under Donald Trump's leadership, American businesses regained confidence, manufacturing returned to US soil, job creation surged, taxes were reduced for middle and working classes. Trump understands one key principle: a powerful economy is the backbone of national security. His policies empower small businesses, protect American workers, and stop unfair global trade practices, something many developing nations, including Pakistan, can deeply relate to. Foreign policy, peace through strength. President Trump is not a warmonger. He is a strategic negotiator. His global approach includes strong stance against terrorism, clear red lines for hostile regimes, respect for national sovereignty, ending endless wars. He believes diplomacy works best when backed by strength. That is why world leaders, friends, and rivals alike take Donald Trump seriously. Trump and the Muslim world, Pakistani perspective. Contrary to middle narratives, Trump's policies focus on security, not religion, law, not discrimination, peace, not chaos. Pakistani Americans recognize that a strong America creates global stability, which benefits developing nations and overseas communities. Trump respects countries that respect themselves, and that message resonates strongly in Pakistan and across the Muslim world. Media, opposition, and resilience. Donald Trump has faced unprecedented media attacks, political witch hunts, legal pressures, global criticism, yet he stands firm. Why? Because true leaders are tested in storms, not calm waters. Trump's resilience sends a global message: never surrender your vision to noise and negativity. Why Trump is global leader? Donald J. Trump respects strength over weakness, action over talk, patriotism over global manipulation, leadership over politics. He has transformed the office of the presidency into a voice of the people, not elites. That is why millions proudly say Donald Trump is not only America's president, he is a global symbol of strong leadership. This was Chaudhry Kaisar Mustafa from New York, bringing you honest analysis, fearless journalism, and a global Pakistani American perspective. If you believe in strong leadership, national pride, and a powerful future, then share this message with the world. Allah Hafiz. God bless America. God bless Pakistan.